Hi and welcome to a look at what's in SolidCam 2020. To start off with, you can see I can easily drag and drop a face template onto a face by just clicking it. From there you can see in SolidCam 2020 we now have the option to click floor finish only. This allows you just to do a facing operation purely finishing the floor, making that simple task even quicker. To add to this, we can use a SolidCam simulator to quickly check how our toolpath has fared. We can quickly see there that the toolpath is doing exactly what we want, as well as all the material is moving as well. Another great addition to SolidCam 2020 is the ability to use the Hole Wizard process inside SolidCam. The Hole Wizard process takes any Hole Wizard holes and then straight away puts a spot face, drilling and any tapping or counterboring requirements, as you can see the update there. If we go into the part now and change the position or indeed any parameters of the Hole Wizard feature, it will then go and recalculate in the cam, changing the tools as necessary as well. Next, let's move on to pocketing. As you can see, to start off, I'm just starting with a template pocket, and in here we're going to go and change the parameters. For SolidCam 2020, we have the ability now to just finish the floor only, allowing you to leave material on the walls but finish the bottom of the pocket. This is really handy in certain scenarios where you may need this extra functionality. In 2D machining, we have a new option for 2D pocketing. As you can see, I'm going to set this part up as we would normally, picking the face and then picking a tool, and I might choose to finish the floor on the wall afterwards as well. It should look fairly familiar to what you're currently seeing. But once we've selected these, if we go down and have a look at link, we now have an option for 3D positioning. If I take 3D positioning off, like it was in SolidCam 2019, you can see we get a large number of retracts. By turning 3D positioning on and checking clearance areas, you can see we vastly reduced the retraction times now, allowing for quicker cycle times. Moving on from pocketing, let's look at the new strategy in SolidCam 2020. Turbo HSR is aimed at being a quicker, high-speed roughing strategy than traditional HSR. Turbo HSR does this by being a true 64-bit toolpath. This allows the user to use all logical cores of their processor, making processing time going down drastically on larger toolpaths. As you can see, all the standard options are there, but we have a few extra as well, allowing for extra stock allowance on certain faces if we wish to, but you can still do contouring, hatching and rest roughing if need be, and you can also do changes to how you would like to ramp in. And I could change between doing line, helical, zigzag, and choose where my approach and retract would be from. And from here, if we let ourselves calculate the pocket NC night, you can see pretty quickly it will calculate the toolpath to exactly what we want. And if we move into a side-by-side, we can truly see the difference in performance between normal HSR and Turbo HSR, even on small toolpaths. This reduction in processing time only gets greater with larger models, so hopefully this will give you a great reduction in time to get to the machine. This has been a look at what's in SolidCam 2020, and if you'd like any more information, please visit our website